Hi, I'm Maeve Farrell, the German teacher at HomeSchool.ie and a Leaving Cert examiner. The examiner does not know if you're sitting the higher or the ordinary level paper, so there is no need to decide by the oral exam. If you're sitting the higher level paper, the oral is worth 25%. If you're sitting the ordinary level paper, the oral is worth 20%. The general conversation is 40% of your oral exam. The topics are family, hobbies, where you live, language learning, travel, school. Grammar to be included in your oral exam are the past tense and quite often a conditional question. 30% of the oral exam is the Bilder Geschichte or a project. If you are doing the Bilder Geschichte, the breakdown of the marks are the telling of the story for 10 marks, the questions and future projection for 10 marks, and the theme questions for another 10 marks. If you are doing the project is worth 30%, 10 marks for the telling of your project, 10 marks for questions on the process and questions perhaps on the pictures in your project, and another 10 marks for the theme. The role play is 30% of your exam. 20 marks go for the content and 10 marks go for the expression. In 2021, the format for the oral exam changed due to the pandemic. If this happens to you, your teacher will ask you the questions and record your oral exam. This oral exam will then be sent to the State Examinations Commission for correction. My top tip for the oral exam is learn your Bilder Geschichte or your project really well and learn your role play really well, because 60% of the exam is very predictable.